Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to stop WordPress spam emails reaching your inbox. WordPress contact form spam protection. Number 1, if you use WPforms. Number 2, if you use contact form 7. And number 3, if you use WP. I currently don't have WPforms, but I will show you how to troubleshoot WPforms anyways. Let's get started. So I have here one of the websites that I'm working on that has issues with spam. So we are going to troubleshoot it, and this contact form is created using Divi contact form. So like I mentioned earlier, we are going to troubleshoot 3 things if you are using the Divi form, and if you are using the contact form 7, and lastly if you have the WP form. So we're going to troubleshoot all those forms, but for the very first form that we're going to troubleshoot, we're going to discuss the first Divi forms. So this is a website, or this is the contact us page of, and we're going to troubleshoot it. So for example, this is the website or the contact form that we have. Just click the icon button in here. Again, this is for the Divi form, and click the icon here and hold on. 2. I'll just refresh page that I am working on. Click the enable visual builder. Okay. And then go to the form and click the gear icon. And then at the bottom, you scroll down, and then here you can see the spam protection, and click it, and we are going to enable this use of spam protection service using the reCAPTCHA. Okay, and then we're going to create account. We are going to create a reCAPTCHA account using the Google console. So this is the Google console. Okay. This is the dashboard of Google reCAPTCHA, Google console. You're going to type in here the label. So this is for your identification. For example, you are this is the website name, and click the reCAPTCHA v3. Add your domain name, so domain.com. This is your email address. You can add another email address if you want, and then just accept the terms of service. Just click that, and then hit submit or click submit. And then you have now created your CAPTCHA for your website. Okay, so we are going to configure that inside our website. Okay, we're going to select an account. We're going to add an account. Okay. What is the add an account? Hard back, please. Let's put the site key code in there and the copy secret key, and then submit. We are going to just put the 0.5 minimum score in there, and then we are going to submit. Okay, that's configured already. We have enabled the spam protection service and we are using reCAPTCHA service, Google reCAPTCHA service, and okay, I think we have successfully configured the reCAPTCHA already. We're going to save it now. Save and save. Okay, let's just check it out. This is the contact form. So it allows us to sign in, do some sign-ups in the contact form. And your Google reCAPTCHA has its own analytics. So it will show here, okay, like the analytics of suspicious requests in here. Number of requests that the contact form is getting. Another troubleshooting is if you are using a contact form 7 on your website. Like for example, I have a website in here that uses contact form 7. Okay. This is the contact form, and this is the contact page of that website. About page and contact form. Okay, this contact form is created using the contact form 7. So we are going to troubleshoot that. And to troubleshoot issue or spam issues for your contact 7, we need to use a plugin for it. So we're going to add a new plugin. Okay. That is called Honey. Okay. Honeypot for contact 7. This is the plugin that we need to install that. Okay, and activate. Again, this is troubleshooting spam emails with the use of your contact form 7. Okay. Now that we have activated our plugin, now that we have the honeypot activated on our website, we are going to a form. Open one of your forms and edit. Click edit. Okay. As you can see here, this is the configuration or the code of the form that you have on your website. And additionally, you can see now that the honeypot function is now in here and ready for use. So we are going to configure that. Click on honeypot. You can see here that you can change the name. This is for your identification. So probably just put spam email in there. Spam email. That is just for you to identify that you have created this tag because you want to reduce the spam email on that particular contact form. Leave the ID blank and the class field blank. Also the wrapper ID optional. This is just leave it blank as well. Placeholder is blank. Just check this move inline CSS. Okay, and then we are going to insert tag. Okay, again, name your tag as you prefer it. This is for your identification of the tag that you have created. So for now, we would like to reduce the number of spam emails from these contact forms. So I named it spam email, and then leave this field blank, and this one as well, and the wrapper ID to be blank, placeholder to be blank, use standard autocomplete value to be blank. Just click or check the move inline CSS, and then insert tag. Click insert tag. As you can see here, it is now inserted on the configuration of your contact form. So we are going to copy it and then put it before the send tab. Okay. Before the submit button or the send button. Our intention is to confuse the bot that the hackers or the spammers are using to do some sign-ups on our contact forms. So this is our intention. We are going to confuse the bots that they are using, and we are going to just save it. And we're done. Okay. Just check it out. Okay. You are testing the contact form. Like I mentioned earlier, we have the WP form, but this is a pure form plugin or builder for our website. That's and I don't have it for now, but I want to show you how to troubleshoot it if you have the WP forms. Again, if you have your our third troubleshooting is for WP forms. So if you have the list of your form, just edit the contact form that you're trying to configure. Just click edit and enable anti-spam protection. You can also enable anti-spam honeypot and enable anti-spam protection, but you can also leave it unchecked if you want. This is probably the easiest way on how to stop contact form spam on your WordPress site. WP forms or also do some blocking of email addresses for the sign up. So you can specify email addresses to be blocked on this contact form, on the settings of this contact form. It is either by email address, a specific email address, email addresses that starts with this word, something like that, or blocks all email address at a domain name, and this blocks all email addresses starting with the letter S at the domain name. So you can put some specific matches information can be used to block for the sign-ups of the contact forms. And because WPforms is a premium contact form builder, it has more flexibility and more feature on how to stop contact form spam on WordPress. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification if you want new updates on entrepreneurship, small business strategy, social media, automation for your business, virtual assistant tutorials, YouTube tutorials, and digital marketing.